is the first time Tyler D ever ate food. Here we go.
Spitting that thing out. He's like, what is that?
You like it? He doesn't know what to do. Oh, touch your nose. Yeah.
You gotta swallow it, buddy.
Your tongue's in the way. Yum, yum, yum. Open up. Good job. Your tongue needs to move. You can't do it on your own yet. Not yet. Open up.
You just like to push it back out.
Is that yummy?
Got more face food than you got food in your tummy.
So that's how it's always gonna be. Tyler. Good job.
Yeah, I've got some newspaper or something. What should I use to?
Open up, buddy.